Okay, a friend reached out to me to find out how one can create slides using ChatGPT, and so I just want to show you guys how to do that in a few minutes. So basically, I'm going to go to my browser, and once I get into my browser, I will type in ChatGPT. I just prefer using the browser version of ChatGPT. You can as well use the app to do what you need to do. Okay, so let me look for one of the content I have done in recent time. Okay, so okay, let's just write a script on how to make money from soybean in South Africa. Okay, so this ChatGPT has generated the script. I can tell it make a more detailed script. So let's see what it produces. Okay, so it is actually generating the script currently. So let's wait for it to be done with it. So once the script is done, I will now try to generate the slides. Okay. Okay, so it has generated a script. So the next I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do is to generate a slide based on the script. Generate a PowerPoint slide, presentation slide based on the script. So it does this analysis. So we just wait to see what it produces. So we just have to be patient as it continues with its analysis at the back end. Okay, so basically it tells me that it has downloaded. I can now download the soybean money making guide. So I'm going to click on the link. So this is it. So let me open it. I'll use Canva to do the opening so we can see how the slide looks like. So this is a slide that has been produced by ChatGPT. Okay, so you can now work on the slide, put in the right colors as you may so desire, and edit it to your own taste. So this is simply how you can create a slide on ChatGPT. So it's as simple as this. If you found this video valuable, endeavor to drop a comment or share. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much.